Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
Life is a mission, family. Welcome back to the channel. What's up again, Life is a Mission family? What's up? It's your guy, Life is a Mission. Remember, it's not a competition. Life is a Mission family. You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support the channel. Life is a Mission TV. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Share the videos in your WhatsApp. Share the videos in your Facebook pages. Whichever contact you have, just share the videos. That will help the channel to grow. You might not be able to get everybody to gravitate to the channel, but if you are a supporter of the channel, this is all you need to support the channel in sharing the videos in every, contact that you have. Your Facebook, your WhatsApp groups. Yeah. If you have 50 somebody in your WhatsApp, if I have 2, somebody must take on to the channel. Alright? Yeah, man. And remember Tamika Douglas TV in the community. Me repost, give her a subscription. And down in the comment section, Life with Gabby and Chevy. And remember, $ Life is a Mission TV. The cash app pinned down there. People, I have a little video to show you. I know YouTube might just hold on panic because I post a video similar to this video already. And they did hold on panic, but they did not hold on it for long. So I want to hope that, YouTube won't hold on it and they even hold on panic. They might just hold on panic to scrutinize it properly, that no harm was done. Yes. But people, after showing you this video, these few clips, or this clip, please and thanks, I would want you to go in the comment section and honestly tell me what would you do, or would you think, or would you feel. I'm not going to give you a clue in this intro because I want you to watch the video, and me don't want to talk out the video before, because I want probably when you watch the video, like you're in that shock mode. But I can't go no hint. Just tell me, how would you feel on a public beach and come up alongside something like this, or something come up alongside you like this? Remember now, it can be a shark, it can be a crocodile, it can be a whale, it can be a stingray, it can be a monster crab, it can be anything at all. I'm still going to a hint, but just tell me how you feel. Only that a public beach and enjoy yourself, crowd, place full of crowd and kids and everybody. I want to enjoy yourself upon a holiday or something. And you're in the water. You know that I have been to Elsha already. And me say, man, I'm go Elsha, I don't like the crowded part. You know that part where the front, they would have called the front part of the beach where most people there. Me not too like that part. They too always crowded. And then most time, most the kids and they around there. So I like going to the party spot, the man them do the ski ski bike them. Yeah, around the other side, most of the entertainers, but normally around the but the woman name have the big old fish something around there. So around there some me go. And you know, so one day me in the water, and just as me come out of the water and step on the stone, because I come from the stone part, I come from the shallow part of the sand. When I look into the water, this big old stingray moving from underneath the sun, And me I say, oh, lucky was I. What if me just step on that stingray coming out of the water? Because me remember now, you know, stingray or something, you know, they are very defensive. And as you know, them tail carry a little thing. This is a tail, and it have another little thing on the top of the tail. Them call it the bob. So them tail is what they use to defend themselves. So you see, once you step on them go so with the tail, boom, and that bob catch you. Remember, make sure you reach the quickest hospital, else you know what happened to you. Because the bob is the danger part, the part on the tail, not the whole tail itself. Just the part on the tail, see the tail here, and the bob they up in here so. So if you notice, him always a flashing tail, defensive. Yes, people, but as me I say, no more long talking. Just go in the comment section, but just try keep on that suspense a little bit. Yes, but go in the comment section and tell me what would you do or would you think what would have happened to you in a moment like this. Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. Do like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the channel. Life is a Mission TV, and remember, life is a mission, not a competition.
No for Nepal France.
My neighbor reach out to that guy.
Where, sir? Yeah, black. Brother, I will buy meat that you know. I will buy blood clot meat that you know.
Big man.
One more. God, oh God, I feel it to my heart.